What's up? And well, it's a sad morning today, guys. Sorry, I'm still finishing some food here, but today's one of the last days we're gonna be spending time with our good buddy, great addition to the channel, and all-around good guy, Dedic over there. Ready for your first day at the new school?
Yeah.
Can't let you go, dog.
Why not?
I don't know.
We're going to Arizona and back.
Dedic, what's happening today?
We gotta go look at a job site real quick, and then from there we're going to Snows, and then from there we're going to the airport, flying into Arizona, picking up a U-Haul because it's like half the price, and when I mean half the price, I mean like $2,500 cheaper. So we're gonna drive it here, and then that's what we're gonna use to start loading up my stuff.
So like I got, give or take, 24 hours more to plan a sabotage to keep you here.
You've got like 12 hours to plan the sabotage, and then 12 hours to actually like...
All right, we're on this, guys. We're on this. I'm gonna keep Dedic here for you guys, all right? Good morning, Snow. Is that a snowman?
What's going on, guys?
Snow, is that a mask in your hand, dog?
Going to the airport.
You've changed.
I gotta fly with I gotta fly with a mask.
So I'm dropping my kid off. He's gonna be in your hands today, all right?
All right. Did you sign the permission slip? You can fly with Snow.
Yeah, yeah. All right.
I think you need a permission slip.
I pinned it onto his shirt.
I need points of contact in case there's an emergency.
Okay.
Did you give him extra money?
Yeah. Do you got it? You know how to administer his inhaler?
I do.
Okay. All right, y'all. Be safe. We're gonna miss you.
Bye, Dad. I'll see you later today.
Okay.
We're coming right back. We'll be back in a few hours.
Yeah, actually, we will. Oh no. This is the most Dedic thing I've ever heard.
Oh, absolutely. This is very Dedic.
Jeez, guy.
All right, I'm gonna try to figure something out. I'm gonna call Southwest and see, because I know they do flights.
All right, call me back.
Well, a little recap on what happened today. I hope you guys can hear this, but yeah, I messed up. We got a cheap flight. Me and Snow got cheap flights to Phoenix, Arizona. Cost us about $80 for one-way trip. For two. Turns out I booked that flight for the 5th of May, and it is currently the 21st of April. So yeah, that wasn't gonna work out. Turns out there's not many flights actually going out to Phoenix at this point, and the only one was Southwest, and it was $300 a ticket. So now we're here drinking our $50 drinks and trying to cope with that. I'm not real happy about it, but it is what it is, and we're gonna keep going, and we're gonna figure this out. So yeah, we're bringing you along with us to the adventures of Snow and Dedic.
So with that being said, you get to watch us just slam $50 cocktails at the airport all day. We'll see you on the flight. So we got on the plane after many hours of waiting. Oh yeah, that's right. Probably can't hear me because of this stupid mask. But yeah, we're on our way to Phoenix right now. There's an outside view. Waiting.
2 parts in the back, you have a seat.
We'll catch you there.
Apparently, Dedic and Snow have found a flight, so that's good news for today. Which ended up being like 10 times the cost of the original flight they were supposed to be on. Chris has work truck in here. Zach was doing some maintenance on that thing earlier, and then Zach decided he should pull his truck in and change out a couple of things, and well, it was all downhill from there real quick.
Yeah, I feel like Dedic. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but we'll just give her a little. And it's been making noises for quite a while. I don't know if you can zoom in and see all the you know, the ends of the impellers missing and whatnot. You know,
oh, yeah.
All them oh yeah, it's dusted. Great. So yeah, if your turbo makes noise, don't let it go and go and go and go and go. So yeah, so hopefully I still have good compression.
So obviously those ends had to come off and go somewhere. Zach's hoping out the exhaust side of the turbo.
No, I just looked in there with a flashlight because I didn't want to until, you know, Mr. pulls the camera out. I looked in there and yeah, that went through my motor. Oof. So like I said, hopefully well, I mean, runs the same as it always has, so.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, you kind of sometimes got to run them till they blow up, but unfortunately now that like Zach has seen that and knows that, like.
Yeah, my luck, if I were to try to drive it home, it would grenade.
So new turbo time.
Yep. And radiator to put that in, which I don't even know if you've shown.
We have not shown this on the channel. All right, so don't mind that it's covered in Dedic's crap over here, but you guys actually, somebody pointed this out in a video because this was tucked up underneath my gray truck. And trust me, I've been trying to get Zach to throw it on my gray truck, but he won't because he spent an ungodly amount of money on this thing. So Zach's got him here. Wait, hold up. What do we call them nowadays? They, them.
I know. Power, hopes and dreams go in the front, and crushing disappointment comes out the back. But
Okay.
what did we say it was? It was a gender neutral torque diverter device or something. I don't know. We had a.
I'm not sure. Listen, we're gonna get canceled no matter what. So, anyways, yeah. So Zach's got a new.
This is a Stage 2 Samwise built E4OD. Should be good for every bit of what this old 300,000 mile truck has got. And yes, this thing almost does have 300,000 miles on it.
So like any OBS enthusiast, like Zach is, hey, let's throw a crazy amount of money into a transmission to put into the 300,000 mile engine truck.
That I just found out has been dusted by a really bad turbo.
I like your style. I like your
You
style.
know, if you guys are OBS guys, that's about 10 grand of a whoopsies.
10 grand of a whoopsies, ton of monies of thousands there. OBS for sale, 100 grand right now. Come take it. We'll put it back together for you.
So I mean, if that doesn't work, all said and done, yeah, I could damn near go buy a new truck. But it's pretty fun when you get beat by a 22-year-old truck and a 6.7. So.
All right.
That was the goal. If it ever gets together to that point, we put on the dyno. If it hits 490, 500, I'll be happy. Pull it off. We're good. Don't push it.
This is gonna go in the truck, but he needs.
So the transmission's really, really bad in it. Like I would show you, but I'm not gonna start the truck anymore. You go anything more than quarter throttle and it finds neutrals. Means the trans lines are full of metal. Means the radiator cooler's full of metal. Means the auxiliary cooler's full of metal. So all of that has to go. And I'm not gonna put the stock stuff back in it because that's boring. $1,000, $1,100 worth of stuff just to put the transmission in. And that's hoping that the converter didn't balloon in that and bend my flex plate.
We made it, folks.
Where's it going? Where's it going? Where's it going? Just make it hot. Just be right there.
All right, y'all. So we finally made it out here to the U-Haul. We got the homie Duramax Barbecue.
What's up, guys?
Came and picked this up in his beautiful Denali. Derek, what are we doing today, huh?
We're getting us a U-Haul, bud, and then going right back.
45-minute flight for what? 5.5 hour drive back?
It took longer to get here.
Yes.
Actually, yeah, it took longer to drive.
Well, there's the U-Haul right there, ready for us. So,
Bringing her around. No, it's a little bigger than that.
let's see if we can get in here.
We're gonna pick up a U-Haul. Last name? Deddick.
All right, Derek, where's our rig at?
All right, we got 7057 whiskey.
There she is, right
There
here.
she is. Beat her with a heater.
Oh God.
Hell
Do we get the free sunshade?
Do we get the board? Does the board say whiskey?
Look, they couldn't even wash this thing, but they want to charge you $4 a gallon for every missing gallon.
Yep.
This thing is thrashed. All right, folks.
Oh.
Glad I caught that one.
Did you? Damn it. Here's another one for you.
We do a pre-trip. Ready? Ready?
This thing will run some super
Yep, she
singles?
good.
Make sure it runs some super singles. So yeah, that's what those little stickers are for.
This is dented.
Oh, all the little stickers right here.
I mean, I don't know how much they're gonna look at it. It's sexy. For the millennials that watch the channel, this is a window crank. So you got to use your arms to, work for it and get it down.
This is where we just hook up the Milwaukee drill battery to it. Where's this supposed to go?
I don't know what the back say. It say right equipment. Let's see what she sounds like.
Okay. I see you. I see you.
Hey, look on the bright side. You get to pay California or Arizona prices for gas.
Oh, they like siliconed in an extra cubby.
Hard.
Ashtray with the ashes already in it.
That's authentic.
It's already got ashes in the ashtray. Speed kills, slow down and live.
Are we going to come and swap it?
Little 12 valve in it. Let's see what this thing's got underneath it.
Well, this body style is a 6.4.
Push over, but see.
Wow. Buried in there. Is that a 5.0?
How do you fucking work on it?
You don't. No, you actually work on them from inside.
The doghouse unclips. So what we'll do on the way back is we'll just undo it. Just get some spray.
Watch the governor just scream at us. Hey! Hey!
That's what we were talking about. We could have brought the scanner and took the governor off.
I've got
That'd be
this
sweet.
big like Matco one that's got like Wi-Fi and it's a tablet and everything. We just sit there just like downloading like tunes off the internet.
I don't know why we didn't go into these bad boys right here. That's the big Kodiak.
I don't need one that big. I didn't need one that big. This is big enough to. Look, it's even got the little sleepers. Woo! As always, appreciate it. Oh, so fancy. I still gotta get the.
bud.
Start on mine.
Can we rub her?
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Thanks, barbecue.
Got it.
All right, folks. Well, we're hopping in the truck right now, and then we'll get back on the road. All right. So far so good. Cruising in the old U-Haul here. We're taking everybody to Gapplebee's.
Yeah.
So get ready.
I'm two foot driving here.
2 foot driving.
Gotta get her up on boost. Oh no, we're not even.
We're not even state. Oh, here we go.
We're
Ready?
bumping her up into
Ready?
the box.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Got him, baby! Woo! Got the whole shot. Woo, baby! Get out of here!
Don't buy this U-Haul next. It's not gonna make it, so it's gonna be ending up in Jacksonville.
We just gotta have
Stay
a long
away.
list of vehicles that I've driven, that I've rented, just so like when people go to buy something or rent something, they can look up and be like, all right, now this is on the good list.
We're on the road.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, she looked at me, dog. She looked at me. All right, we're good.
All right, so we're gonna keep on trucking, and we'll get back to you on the next update. Maybe
When we're eating.
Yeah, we're gonna stop and get some barbecue. So we'll see you guys there. We just stopped off at Rudy's Country Store and Barbecue. Dedek hypes this place up and says it's bomb. Let's see what we're working with.
So we got our sausages right here. Go ahead and get you a piece of that.
What
Right
is it?
there. Right
Jalapeno?
there. I think this is the jalapeno. Try some of the barbecue sauce with it.
All right, let's try it. Okay. A little zingy.
Oh yeah, that's good.
So we got half pound of brisket, half pound of pulled pork. We're gonna chow down and then I guess hammer down the interstate. We still got 5.5 hours to go, so we're looking at being in San Diego probably about 2:30. There's that brisket right there, nice and moist. So we got our first fuel up. What we paying for fuel, Dedek?
307
307
a gallon.
You're only putting 87 in it, not 91 in this race
You
truck?
don't need it. She's tuned for the 87.
Oh, we're running the 87
We're running the 87 tune. It's the clean. It's the safe tune. It's these long. It's these cross country races. You know, man. You can't be burning up on the first race running 91. We didn't bring no spare plugs, so you know we gotta run the safe 87.
It is handy though that we can change the plugs inside the
Yeah,
truck.
as we're making our pass, we can be swapping plugs. Yes.
I think it's Goodyear, Arizona is where we're at right now. I don't know. It's beautiful out. Shorts, t-shirt, dudes on. Dedek's got his dudes on.
Yeah, we're good.
We're just out here chilling. We'll keep you updated. I keep saying that, like.
Yeah, we'll keep you updated.
Yeah, we'll just keep you
by the way,
updated.
We're gonna keep you updated. Hey, also don't forget, we're gonna keep you updated.
Yeah. Hey, Dedek, where did you get that shirt at?
Oh, this shirt right here, yeah, it's actually one of my favorites over at workforthepel.com.
What's on the back, man?
Ow! Also, we hit our $100 cap.
Oh, we're pulling a Ryan right now?
No, we're gonna go with it.
Alright, that works.
I mean, 32 gallons.
So, we made it past Yuma, a little bit past into California.
Regretfully made it past you, bro.
Yeah, we forgot to stop and fill up in Yuma. Because once you go over the border to California, it instantly just gets ridiculous in price. We're looking at these prices right here, $4.79. $100 for 20 gallons.
Oh my God. Thanks, Biden.
It's gonna be a double swiper, isn't it?
I'm just I think we can make it home on that.
We're switching drivers. Dedek's getting a little tired.
I'm tired.
So I told him I'd drive for a little bit. Oh yeah, we're gonna get home in one piece.
Oh, you can't even see me. It's like an unlocked character. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what happened. I slept after we swapped the entire time. I'll let him fill you in on what happened.
Oh God! So here's to the desert. As soon as we hit the mountains, like right into San Diego, we got like 90-mile-an-hour crosswinds, and I was doing 80 the whole way. And as soon as I hit those crosswinds, it was like instantly 35 mile an hour, and like at one point, 3 wheels were on the ground. Like this thing is a sail. So we hit that, and then as soon as we get into the mountains a little bit, it just became stupid foggy. Slowed down for that. Finally made it down into the city, and we just hammered down. 12:56. Finally got to my house.
Yeah, no, I get to take this hog of a rig out to the ranch and get some sleep. Hey, dog, it does have, as you were talking, I was looking at it, it does have an aux port. We could have been listening to music this whole time. Hey, well, at least now I know.
Yeah.
All right, bud, thanks. This is...
I'm out of here.
It's my turn. Bye.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.